Hi, good morning. This is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. You're watching our Crawl Space series. This is series number 3, and today we are looking at sump pumps and sump pits and what they do. So you can see behind me here is a sump pit, and what we're going to do is explain everything about that pit, how it works, and why you need a sump pump. So let's take a look. A proper sump pit is 18 inches wide and 24 inches deep. The reason for this is because the pump sits down on the bottom and we need a place for the water to fill up so the pump can pump it out. We start by digging the hole for the sump pit, and you'll notice that it's much wider than the actual pit. Sometimes when we're digging, of course we're going to hit water, because that's why we're here, is to remove the water. So it's actually a very good sign when we do find water. Next, we perforate the sump pit. That's so that the water can also come in the sides of the pit. Here you see the sump pit sitting in its hole, and notice how much room there is on the sides. That's because we're going to surround the pit with gravel. We are installing a Zoller M53, probably one of the best sump pumps on the market. We start by inserting a threaded 1.5" male insert into the discharge of the pump. Next, we take a piece of 1.5" PVC that we've cut to just above the top of the sump pit. We go ahead and coat that piece with glue and stick it firmly into the discharge of the pump. Make sure you hold this down because it does tend to back out. Next, we'll attach the check valve. Make sure that your arrows are pointing up. Simply slide the black no-hub over the PVC and secure the clamps either with a drill or a screwdriver. These clamps need to be fairly tight. Now we'll finish our installation by plumbing the discharge pipe up and out through the foundation wall. But how did we drill through the wall? This is done with our hammer drill and a 2-inch diamond core drill bit. Always drill from the outside in. That way you have a very clean hole on the outside of the building. Once the hole is made, you can slide your pipe through and finish your plumbing. Now all that's left is add your footer tiles and cover it with gravel. And that's an installation of a sump pump, sump pit, and discharge line. This is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina.